Guys,
it's Toasting Games Connector. Today we have.
this is exciting, guys. It's a NES Classic Edition.
There are 30 games.
It's a version of the Nintendo Entertainment System back in the 90s.
There's the controller. That's the controller.
And it comes with one controller, but you could buy another one. So once we start opening this, we're gonna buy another one. So it comes with 30 classic NES games. It's from Nintendo.
And this is Link.
Yeah, that's Link. And this is the other side.
Bowser. Old school Bowser.
Yeah. Bowser or King Koopa. So this is so awesome.
Yeah, these are some games it comes with. There's Super Mario 1, Super Mario 2, and Super Mario 3.
Yeah. That's nice. So
and there's also Ice Timer.
Yeah. So let's go open it.
Ow, ow.
Oh, careful. Careful with paper cutting.
Yeah, because you might get a paper cut.
Yeah.
These boxes,
whoa.
You can get paper cuts.
Let's take this one. Oh, look at that.
Ooh, what is this?
You open it upside down. So here's the manual. Wow.
I think this is the instructions.
Oh yeah, and manual instructions. It's the same.
That's the same thing.
Yep. And here's the controller.
Wait,
so
is that controller? I think it's. Wait.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's small but cool.
Small, right? And this is it's a plug.
I think so.
And that's it.
Wait.
What? That's it. So small.
Wait. Oh, why is the stuff so small?
I
think those are
but
all
it's so
the
cool.
games.
I'm so excited to play with it.
Yeah, because you do like Ace Climber.
Yeah. And here are the additional cords. Whoa, so it comes with an HDMI. Comes with an HDMI
But
cable.
why is there no games for that?
The games are inside. It's here.
Wait, what? Open it?
No, we can't open it. The games are included, so we have to plug this in the TV,
Oh.
so we can play all the 30 games.
And
this is the cable.
And they find them?
Yeah. And what is this one?
I don't know. Maybe it's a charger for the...
Oh, so it's a charger. So this is the charger for this one. So it goes here, and the HDMI goes in here.
So you could connect it so that you can play it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we'll put some more videos next time for the gameplay.
Yeah, we might play, but we're going to practice it before we make a video of it.
Yeah. All right. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. See you soon. Have fun. And let's keep collecting, guys. Bye.